Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some peanut cake. So let's get right into the video. But before we do, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Here we have 3 cups of roasted peanut, the unsalted one. Then we have our cinnamon stick, vanilla, honey, ginger, nutmeg, and 1.5 cups of water, and our brown sugar. So here we have our stove. It's already on high heat, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour our water in. And guys, please do remember to put a pinch of salt. And now we're going to be adding our cinnamon stick. If you don't have the cinnamon stick, you can go ahead and use the powder or the cinnamon leaf. So now that this is boiling, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grate my ginger. So guys, you can cut the ginger up if you want to. I like to grate it. And this is one of Jamaican's traditional, what do we call it, sweet treat. So you have the drops, you have the peanut cake and other stuff. So now we're going to remove the cinnamon stick, and then we're going to be adding our vanilla. So it's 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we're going to make that boil, let everything combine together, and we're going to stir. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. But guys, I'm using my half cup, so I will be adding it twice. And then we're going to stir. So this sugar is a little bit on the dark side. I like to have the other sugar, the clear one, but unfortunately I didn't get any, so I have to use the one that I have, right? So guys, now that we add our ingredients, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our peanut. Now that we finished adding our peanut, we're going to go ahead and we're going to stir everything together, let it boil for a little. Okay guys, so now most of the water has dissolved, as you can see there. So on my counter I have my cutting board with some parchment paper. Normally in Jamaica we will drop this on some banana leaf, but unfortunately here where I live in Canada I cannot get any. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop these in small portion. This is something that you can eat, you can take it to work. It's just a snack that you can. So this is a traditional snack in Jamaica, and many of my Jamaicans, I know they love it. But for me, I made this for my husband because I'm allergic to peanut. And you have to drop them as quick as possible because you don't want the liquid to get hard, and that will be very, very difficult for you. So you'd have to add a little bit more water to it. So guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make Jamaican peanut cake. So guys, please do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love good, and I'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen.